Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix microphone problems in Google Meet so people can actually hear you loud and clear. Sometimes if you join a meeting and no one can hear you, don't worry. Here what to check. First, look at the microphone icon at the bottom of your Google Meet window. If you join the meeting, make sure that the below your microphone icon is turned on. Simply if you seen the cross icon, this is turn on. To turn on, you can simply click again and your microphone will be turned on. Next, click three dot at the settings. Click the three dot and check the speaker and make sure your phone is at phone or the speaker. If you have used any kind of headphones or something like that, it must be at the phone. If you don't have, make sure it is on the speaker. Now click. After that, still not working, check your browser. In desktop, check your browser or device permission. Google Meet need access to your mic, so head to your browser settings and allow the microphone access. In the Android phone or in iPhone, you can check like this. Give the permission. As you can see, microphone is turn it on. Microphone and camera are turn it on. And one last tip is, if your audio sound muffled or too quiet, move closer to your mic and avoid the background noises. And that's it. Now your mic should work perfectly on Google Meet. If this helps, hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.